change a thing now, there was never trust.
What's up? What's up, y'all?
What's up?
So we're here at Xtreme right now for the Mardi Gras event. You know, we're at the beach. They call this the beach. I don't know how it's the beach, but you know, this is where the water wheelies all happen. Right there. Don't get wet, because your waders aren't even on. You saw the way Justin was doing his water wheelies? You didn't see him, doesn't it? He was humping there while he's doing it. You didn't see it? No. Ask him to show you again. He'll be like, they want you to go all the way out down. I don't know how deep it is. I don't want to get anything. It's the same. Somebody pulling this out. That's Ruby right there. He calls it Ruby. Ooh, he's got the fireball. Be here? About 20-30 minutes.
Okay, yeah, we have some people peeing in the bush, so we'll be over there.
Alright, bye. What's going on?
Almost lost my bike.
What? Doing?
Lost my bridge.
Oh, that bridge, the sketchy bridge?
No, not that. The fucking the deep water crossing over there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the guy sent me the video. This guy was recording me. He warned me that it was deep, and then it doesn't look that bad in the video.
Oh, you just felt like it.
It goes sideways here in a second.
Oh, yeah, like the current's taking you?